Are you feeling discomfort in your abdomen? Do you wish there was an easy, at-home solution to help alleviate the symptoms of a hernia? Look no further than your own pantry or local health store. This video will reveal 9 effective home remedies for hernia treatment, plus a bonus strategy that will blow your mind. So let's get comfortable and prepare to discover simple, accessible solutions to support your journey to recovery. 1. Introduction to hernias. Before we dive into remedies, let's clarify what a hernia is. It's a condition where an organ or tissue pushes through a weak spot in your surrounding muscles or connective tissue. This can lead to discomfort, pain, and if left untreated, potentially serious complications. However, you can manage mild hernia symptoms effectively at home, and we'll show you how. 2. Eat smaller meals. Start small, literally. Eating large meals can put pressure on your stomach and contribute to hernia-related discomfort. Try eating smaller, more frequent meals instead. This way, your body can digest food easier, reducing strain on your abdominal muscles and relieving hernia symptoms. 3. Use of aloe vera. Aloe vera is not just for sunburns. Consuming aloe vera juice can help soothe the digestive system and reduce acid reflux, a common symptom associated with hiatal hernias. A study published in the Journal of Environmental Science and Health shows aloe vera's anti-inflammatory and healing properties, suggesting its potential role in managing digestive health issues like hernias. 4. Stay hydrated. Water. It's a simple remedy, but often overlooked. Staying hydrated helps digestion and prevents constipation, reducing pressure on the herniated area. So keep your water bottle close and make sure you're meeting your daily hydration goals. 5. The magic of ginger root. This culinary staple does more than just spice up your meals. Ginger root can help decrease inflammation and could aid in reducing hernia pain. It's also known to alleviate nausea and aid digestion, making it a fantastic natural remedy to include in your hernia management routine. 6. Gentle exercises. Incorporating gentle exercises into your routine can help strengthen the muscles around the hernia and potentially reduce symptoms. Simple yoga poses, like the legs up the wall pose, have been reported to provide relief for some people with hiatal hernias. However, avoid heavy lifting or strenuous workouts, as they can exacerbate your symptoms. 7. Avoid trigger foods. Consuming certain foods can increase stomach acid and exacerbate hernia symptoms. These include spicy foods, citrus fruits, and caffeinated beverages. Pay attention to how different foods affect your symptoms and aim to maintain a balanced, nutritious diet that doesn't aggravate your hernia. 8. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight can increase abdominal pressure and make a hernia worse. Therefore, maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise can be a long-term strategy for managing hernia symptoms. Remember, everyone's healthy weight is different, so it's important to find what works best for you. 9. Elevation and support. When you lie flat, stomach acids can reflux, worsening hiatal hernia symptoms. Try elevating the head of your bed or using a wedge pillow to keep your head and chest higher than your stomach. This position could help prevent reflux, providing you with a more comfortable sleep. 10. Practice mindfulness. Stress can exacerbate many health conditions, including hernias. Techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and other mindfulness practices can help manage stress levels, potentially reducing hernia pain and discomfort. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Behavioral Medicine has shown that mindfulness can decrease the perception of physical pain, which can be especially beneficial in managing hernia symptoms. Potential drawbacks. While these remedies can help manage hernia symptoms, it's important to remember that they're not a complete cure. If you're experiencing severe pain, have difficulty swallowing, or notice a sudden increase in your symptoms, seek medical attention immediately. Additionally, some remedies might not work for everyone and could potentially cause adverse reactions. For instance, some people might have allergies to aloe vera, while others might find certain yoga poses uncomfortable or challenging. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your treatment plan. And that wraps up our 9 home remedies for treating hernia symptoms, plus our bonus mindfulness strategy. By integrating these methods into your routine, you could potentially find significant relief and take a proactive role in managing your symptoms. Remember, everyone's body is different, so what works for one person may not work for you. It's about trial and error, patience, and self-care. We would love to hear about your journey. Please share your experiences or additional remedies you found helpful in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and guidance. Remember, your health is in your hands. Until next time, take care.